Hey everybody, good afternoon. It's Scott Fortunoff, president of Free Spirit Fabrics. I'm really excited today because just the other day I received Kaffe Fassett's new book in the studio behind the scenes with the master colorist. And I'm not a huge reader. I mean, I read, but I don't always have time to read. That's usually the bigger issue, or the patience. But I actually managed to read this book in one day, and it went really smoothly because it brought me back to the time in 2018 after we bought Free Spirit that I visited Kaffe and Brandon at their home. So I just wanted to reminisce a little, and I have two pages open that I want to show you. So the first one is on this side. So this is the main room where when I got to Kaffe and Brandon's house where I went. So I sat in this room and there's fabrics all on the wall, lots of tchotchkes everywhere. And they sat me down, there was a seat, there was like a little cup of water, and it was Kaffe and Brandon and their business partner and their lawyer, and I was sitting there and I didn't know them, and it was a little bit uncomfortable. I was a little jet lagged, so I sat there, and then they started hitting me with questions, and I felt like I do now with all the lights on my face, and they're talking to me, asking me this, are we gonna do this, are we gonna do that, we wanna try this, we wanna try that. So the spotlight is on me and I'm like sweating, and then eventually it calmed down and it got comfortable, and we got past the challenging part for me, and it was a lovely time after that. So one of the other things I wanted to show you was here, and as you could see, this is a cabinet where Kaffe and Brandon keep their quilts, but when I visited, there was no, they didn't paint the cabinet doors. So you could see that Kaffe took the time to paint them, and they were talking about painting them, and even in the book, they talk about painting them. But one of the things we did was we did a Facebook Live, and we toured all around their house, and you will see when we repost the Facebook Live that you can see that those cabinets are blank at the time that we did the video in 2018. So as time passes, things progress, and Kaffe finds the time to he found the time to paint those doors. But in any case, so first off, let me say you should check this book out. It's a quick, easy read. There's great photographs. It's very enlightening, and there's so much to look at. It's no different than when I walked into Kaffe and Brandon's home. It was just you know, such visual stimulation. It was really amazing. But what I wanted to tell you also is that we're going to share the video that I did in 2018 because it was one of the best videos I ever did. It had so many views, and I know everyone loves to see inside Kaffe and Brandon's home. So by watching the video and then ordering the book, you'll be able to see how things have progressed. And as I said, you'll see the one cabinet that wasn't painted, and now it's been painted, and you could see what they've done with the place. So I hope you take the time to order the book. And I hope you take the time to rewatch the video that we have that my main man Marcus is going to post for us. So that's what I want to tell you, and I hope you enjoy the book. If you're going to read it, or if you read it, say something in the comments. Let me know what you thought, and let me know what you think of the video. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye-bye, guys.